Ever click on something like a tour sheet on base.org and it looks outdated? Don't worry, your browser might just be in a cached version of the page. Here's how to fix it. For Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Delete Browsing Data, then select Cache Images and Files. Choose All Time and click Delete Data. For Apple Safari, click Safari in the top menu. Choose Settings or Preferences, then go to Advanced and enable Show Develop menu in Menu Bar. Now click Develop and select Empty Caches. And that's it. Refresh the page and your browser should be the most up-to-date version. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next quick tip.